welcome to my channel and thank you for choosing to watch this video today. We are at the beach, Crystal Crescent Beach, part of Atlantic Ocean, and I just wanted to share these lovely moments with you guys. It's so cold, I have to say, but totally worth it. There's like seaweed. It's not so windy, so there's not that much waves around. Gosh, I kind of can't breathe. It's so cold, but well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's short, I can't really go too much deeper. Well, I can, but I can't get more than what you guys can already see. I'm gonna not talk and just goodbye so you can listen to the waves. These are seaweeds. This is like the windiest beach for like close to Halifax, or I should say Nova Scotia. So people come up in here for surfing and that kind of things. But the water is still a bit cold. I think it's like 5 degrees. We still are not having warm water for them to do their sports, but you can see once in a while someone comes into water. And into the first beach over there, there's so many kids that they're playing in the water. So, well, it's Canada, you make the most out of it. Take care, guys. Hope you come here one day and enjoy the beach like we do. Take care. Bye. Hi, guys. Oh my, the water is freaking freezing.